Hi, I'm sorry you can't sleep. So often when we can't sleep, we can become very caught up in our thinking. So a mindful exercise like this, well, it can really help to just move things on a bit. And best of all, even if you don't get back to sleep, you would have done some housework. So depending on what your situation is, whether there's other people asleep in the house, I would choose a task that you can do with gentle concentration. So ironing, or folding laundry, wiping down the kitchen surfaces. Probably best not to do something that requires bright lights or makes a lot of noise, but just something that's gently soothing and will take as long as you've decided to do the exercise for. Remember, we're not trying to make ourselves sleepy. We're just checking in with the body every now and again to see if that sleepy feeling has arisen. So no matter what time it is, as much as possible, just putting those things aside, putting them down for a moment, and giving your full attention to whatever activity, whatever type of housework you're about to begin. It could be washing the dishes, could be cleaning up, might be folding laundry, or it could be ironing. We all tend to have certain preferences, and often we kind of approach housework just wanting to get past it. So the way to begin this exercise is by taking a couple of nice, big, deep breaths. Doing this by breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. As you exhale, just letting go of anything else that's going on and just feeling the connection between the feet and the floor. So just a sense of being present in the room. Again, allow thoughts to come and go as always, not getting involved in them, just letting them come and go. Just present with that sensation of the feet on the floor. And then as you begin the activity, actually approaching it with the intention of being mindful throughout. Of course, we'll lose our attention at times. It's perfectly normal. As soon as you do, just see it, acknowledge it, let the thoughts go, and bring the attention back to whatever sensation or whatever sense is most prevalent at the time. So if you're washing the dishes, it might be the feeling of warmth and moisture, your hands in the water. If you're ironing, it might be the weight of the iron or the movement of the hand extending, then coming back again. So the advantage of applying mindfulness to each activity like this is that we start to do things with a little more care and attention. Not only do we start to enjoy the process a bit more, but we also start to hold ourselves, hold the body in a slightly better way. Perhaps letting go of some old habits, not rushing everything, but actually taking the time, finding enjoyment. So just bringing the attention into the body, consciously moving the body. And not necessarily moving very, very slowly, but it helps to slow things down just a little bit. But ultimately, it's the way that you apply that attention and that focus. So as you're doing the housework, just bringing your attention into the body. And notice how you're holding the body. Notice how the body feels. Notice any areas of tension. noticing the areas of relaxation. Noticing the sounds, noticing the smells. And even if the thinking that arises in the mind is to do with the activity itself, treating it in just the same way. See the thought, acknowledge it, and let it go. And just gently bringing the attention back again to whatever sense is strongest at the time. Just resting the mind in that place as you continue. So just checking in with the body now. Has that feeling of sleepiness crept in? If it has, well, maybe it's time to get back into bed. And if not, well, just keep going for now. Just checking in with the body from time to time. When you do sense that feeling of sleepiness, maybe the eyes are tired, the body feels ready for sleep, then just gently slipping back into bed. And of course, if you need to repeat the exercise, we're here for you anytime, day or night.